If you are looking for a language learning app, you have probably come across Babbel. But is it actually worth paying for, and how does it compare to other language apps? In this video, I'll cover Babbel's main features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's the right choice for you. What is Babbel? Babbel is a subscription-based language learning platform designed for beginners and intermediate learners. It offers courses in over 10 languages, including Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and English. Unlike many language apps that focus mainly on vocabulary, Babbel emphasizes real-life conversations, grammar, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Lessons are available on both desktop and mobile devices. Key features. One of Babbel's biggest strengths is its structured lessons. Courses are organized from beginner to more advanced levels, making it easy to follow a learning path. The app also includes speech recognition technology, allowing you to practice pronunciation and receive instant feedback. Grammar explanations are another standout features. Instead of asking you to memorize words, Babbel explains grammar rules in simple terms, helping you understand how the language works. You'll also find short lessons that usually take around 10 to 15 minutes, listening exercises with native speakers, vocabulary review using spaced repetition to improve long-term memory, personalized review sessions that focus on words you have learned, Babbel Live, available with select plans, which offers live online classes taught by professional instructors. Pricing. Babbel operates on a subscription model. You can choose from monthly, quarterly, annual, or lifetime plans. The longer your subscription, the lower the monthly cost. Babbel also offers a limited free lesson in many languages, so you can try the platform before subscribing. Prices may vary depending on your region and promotions, but it is generally considered more affordable than hiring a private language tutor. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Easy to follow structured courses, strong grammar instruction, effective pronunciation practice, short lessons that fit into busy schedules, available on both mobile and desktop. Cons. Fewer languages than some competitors, advanced learners may eventually outgrow the content, most features require a paid subscription, doesn't offer as much gamification as apps like Duolingo. Final verdict. Overall, Babbel is an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate learners who want a structured, practical approach to learning a new language. If you are looking for lessons that focus on real conversations rather than just memorizing vocabulary, Babbel is definitely worth considering. However, if you are an advanced learner or prefer a completely free app, you may want to explore other options. Thanks for watching. If you find this review helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest software and app reviews.